Tesla fans, back at you again with another video, and this time it features EV Base. Shout out to them. They sent this out to me to review for you guys, and I'm excited to unbox it. It is some RGB lights for the interior of the Tesla. They gave me a dash kit and a center console kit, so we're about to show you before and after how easy it is to install. I'm out of the box, and here they are. This one is the Model 3Y dashboard streamer light, and the center console light is right here. So let's do a little unboxing. Really impressed with all the pieces they give you. Very cool. Little prior tool, and you can install these permanently where they come on when you turn the car on. You can have them off a button like this. So really cool. They give you everything. Here's the actual light itself. Look how thin it is. Feels strong. I'm excited to see this, and it comes with an app. So that's the center console light. Here is the dashboard light. Wow, and they even give you a little adapter. USB-C. Pretty cool. EV base right on the back there. And then they give you everything here. Again, you can permanently attach it, or you can have it on a switch. I might just do it the easy way, but you can install it either way. Pretty cool. I'm deciding to do the permanent way of installing it, which is you come down here behind the screen, and I already have an aftermarket screen. So come down here, pull this off, and then we have to tap into this blue one right here, and we're just going to daisy chain it again, and you'll see the process right here. Here we go. Boom. Just like that, guys. These lights look really good. And now they're going to kick on and off when the car goes on and off, because of the way I hooked it up in the back. So here we go. We're going to line them up basically all along here. We'll see how that looks. We're going to pry this. Use this little tool, get in there. And we're just going to start shoving this thing in here. Take your time. Really get it in there nice. Okay guys, I have one side laid down. I'm about to plug it in right now, so let's see what it does. Boop. Oh! We have liftoff. Look how clean that looks, guys. Whoa. Oh yes. Okay, I'm going to continue on. This looks great. Let me zoom in a little closer for you. This is what we're working on, this little lip right here. And all we're going to do is just pry this thing in here. Stick it right in there. Pry it back. The other side is now done. Zoom in for you. Really clean. I'm going to hop in here and plug it in. Alright. So I just have my cables bending down into here to keep it really clean looking. Let me find out where I'm supposed to be going here. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go for the test, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom! You seeing that? Look how good that looks. Let me get out of the way. Let me get a close-up of that. Yeah, really clean install. EV Base. Remember to use my discount code below, Shoddy. Save, I think 20%, 15%, 25%. They change it, but don't sleep on this. This is amazing, easy installation. And when you close the door, it's going to turn off, which is super simple. You don't have to worry about your battery draining. So I'm just testing to see if it turns on and off with the car. So right now the car is off. Boom, and then it turns on. All right, we're going to work on the dash now. Let's close this to see if it works. Turned off. Look at that, guys. All right, on to the dash. And all the lights are installed. Let me lower the camera. You can see the dash one is under there. And then the center console. And you can download an app to control it. And that's what we're about to do right now. Let me get my phone out. Here we go. It's going to send you to this. Download it. Boom. It's downloading. So here's the app you need to download. And all you need to do is just scan that. Super simple. Boop. There it is. I'll wait to show you guys what this looks like at night. I've been playing with their app and it is super cool. But I'm going to wait till it gets dark out and we're going to have some fun. This was super easy install. Again, use Shotty as a discount code. Save you a bunch of money at checkout, and you already know the deal. Super quick shipping, reliable products, EV base. I love it. I'm back in my garage and I'm about to walk up to the car and show you how everything just kicks on by itself. So here we go. Say hello to my S10 that I'm working on. It's dark, I'm in my garage. Here we go. Ultimate test. So here's some of the settings. Right now I have it on color race back. White marquee. It's crazy. I don't know if you can see the detail if the camera's picking that up. EV base. Amazing product. This is the real deal. Easy install. Super clean. I'm excited. This looks amazing. And then I'll show you. I'm going to get out. Here I go. That's my compressors making all that noise. But look, once you get out,